Hello my friends and welcome. It's Buck Small Engine DIY on YouTube, and today I have a battery powered Ego string trimmer. This is my personal trimmer, and even though I'm a small engine guy, I really do like this battery powered trimmer. And today we're going to install a new head and load some new string onto it. I've used this a lot, you can tell, and this head's gotten kind of beat up and I want to change it out. So I've got the genuine article, the Ego product right here, and this trimmer head's identical to the original, and this is for model ST1500SF. That is exactly what I have, and it comes with the new head and a section of that trimmer line, and I really think it's going to be a pretty easy swap-a-roo here. So let's start by taking off the old trimmer head. It's probably a good idea to take the battery out of the machine before doing this, just to play it safe. Instructions are included if you need to use them. I've already looked at them. So let's go ahead here and take off the old head, and we're going to remove it by, there's two tabs, one here and then 180 degrees on the other side. You can sometimes press them with your fingers, but they can get a little tight, so I'm going to use a screwdriver, and this will allow us to separate the spool from the head. So off comes this top section with the spring, and here's the spool, and down in here we've got a 13 millimeter or half-inch nut that we're going to take off. I'm going to use my impact and a 13 millimeter socket. It's lefty loosey, so kind of standard threads. Just kind of grab that and it comes off. And now we can take off the spool and the base. All of that is included in the new kit. You have to keep the nut, and then this base is going to be reused, so pull it off. If you got junk or anything under there, clean that out, but then you can put that right back on. Alright, now here's the new head. So I got to do the same thing to separate the different components. Again, sometimes you can do that with your fingers, but oh look, it does include a new nut. Alright, so that's all the same components here. We're going to put the base on and then the spool. And now we're going to see about putting this nut on. See if I can get it. There we go. And then tighten it down with the impact. Lefty loosey, so righty tighty. Doesn't have to be super tight. Just snug and secure. Alright, and then this piece pops back on. Align the slot with the tab that it goes in. And we should be able to just and there we go. There, it's clipped in. That's it, my friends. The new trimmer head is installed. That quick, that easy. Now let's load some string into it. So we got our new trimmer line. This is 0.095 inch diameter. That's the thickness of it. And this is the sort of like, it's got that braided texture. And we're going to load that together. You can load up to 15 feet of this line. I don't usually load that much, so I got about an 8-foot piece here. And basically, we got to find this hole, and 180 degrees later on the other side, the other hole, and we got to fish this line straight through. And half of it will have on one side and half on the other. And this is easiest to do if you can get your line straight. If it's bent and crooked, it sometimes has a hard time feeding through. So you do have to, sometimes it takes a few tries to get it to come through. But if your piece is nice and straight, you'll have an easier time with it. There we go. So he comes through, so just pull half of it through so you've got equal amounts on both sides of the head. Just kind of even that out. Doesn't have to be perfect, but close enough. And now we wind it. So you're going to grab the head. And there's a direction, arrow directions pointing, so you press and turn at the same time, and it winds the pressing and turning. Pretty easy, really. And then you have about that much out. Okay, if it's longer than that, it'll cut off here on the blade on the shield. But that's it. We've loaded. We got a new head. We got new line. It's all done. It's like new again. I love this thing. Let's try it out. Isn't that fabulous? New trimmer head, new line. Love it. Thanks for watching.